Kicking it off at number 1 is the fact that ginger tea can help to boost your immunity. It's probably no surprise that more people tend to get sick this time of year as it gets much colder outside. Ginger contains very powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. They play a big role in strengthening your immune system for this reason. Even just breathing in the steam from ginger tea has been proven time and time again to relieve any kind of nasal congestion, respiratory issues, and allergies. Number 2. Ginger is amazing for weight loss during this time of year as well. It's not surprising that during this time of year we can add a few pounds to our waistline. This is what makes ginger tea a great winter drink. In studies, ginger has been shown to increase the feeling of fullness and reduce appetite. This makes it perfect to prevent overeating. It also keeps your blood sugar levels stabilized as well to prevent high blood sugar crashes, which can spike intense hunger levels. Moving on to number 3 is that ginger tea is extremely beneficial for improving your blood circulation. It really comes down to the levels of vitamins and minerals found inside ginger. They allow the blood to flow more easily, which prevents any kind of cardiovascular issues. Ginger can also possibly help to disintegrate fat before it reaches your arteries, which can significantly reduce the risk of a heart attack or stroke. If you're liking our videos so far, make sure you subscribe, follow us on Instagram at healthyourself_YT, and comment down below saying I subscribed, and we'll make sure to respond as we post short videos every 2 days. As we move on to number 4, did you know that ginger can play a role in pain relief? Remember when we said ginger is a great anti-inflammatory? Well, it's been shown in many studies that it can help specifically with any kind of joint pain, specifically osteoporosis and arthritis. Many health professionals will actually recommend ginger tea to athletes that sustain any injuries to speed up the healing process. Ginger tea is also great for things like headaches and migraines too. Lastly, at number 5, going along with our previous point, is that ginger is actually great for preventing morning sickness and motion sickness. Research states that ginger tea helped many people who get car sick or any kind of motion sickness. You see, ginger contains the compound gingerol, which is the key for these health benefits. This is why the evidence suggests that women who are pregnant should drink ginger tea, as this can reduce the symptoms of morning sickness and in some cases can work better than the standard anti-nausea drugs prescribed. Ginger tea can be a great natural alternative for this. To take it one step further, women can actually take ginger tea to relieve themselves of menstrual cramps because it relaxes the muscles. If you like our videos, give it a thumbs up and comment down below your favorite part and we'll make sure to respond. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of healthy eating tips, nutrition facts, and much more.